Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add exclusion targeting to your entire Google Ads account to remove any unwanted traffic or placements or keywords. My name is Mac with Momentum. I used to work for Google in the ads department before I started this agency, and this will save you a lot of wasted clicks and wasted money. So let's jump into it. There's a quick little process here I'll add in the description. You're going to want to log into your Google Ads account, go to Tools, Shared Library, and then Exclusions Lists. Choose placements or keywords exclusion lists. Do both. Create a new list name, manually add them, or if you already have a list saved, you can copy paste, and then you can save it to the entire account. So let's jump into it. Go to my Google Ads account for Momentum Digital. You see in the top right here. Let me move this. So once you're logged in, if you go to campaigns, under that you see tools on the left hand side, and under shared library we're going to go to exclusion lists, and then for negative keywords you can create a new list right here. This lets you create a list name and type in or copy paste keywords, or if you already have an existing list you could go into it here, add like DIY jobs, YouTube, ads, customer support, any keywords you don't want to show up for, you can just add it to your list. More importantly, I think if you're doing any performance max or display or YouTube or third-party site targeting, where you can upload a list or create a new list, enter the list name, and you can choose YouTube channels, YouTube videos, websites, apps, categories, or you can enter them manually. Get my list right here. What I'm going to do, I want to remove any app targeting. Apps get a ton of wasted clicks, accidental clicks, wasted ad spend for display campaigns or performance max, which is really what Google's pushing, which is garbage in my opinion. So, Performance Max, for those who don't know, is Google's new campaign for AI-based targeting on all their different platforms to try to generate more leads. In my opinion, it's trash for any service, home service, local retail, anything like that. It's only decent for e-commerce. But to remove all apps, there's a quick little link here. Let me show you. Give me 1 second. All right, from a quick search here, this is the new category total exclusion to exclude all apps. So you go to enter a placement, enter this mobile app category 69500, add placement, save it, and that way you don't need to manually remove and exclude all apps like you would just checking all these boxes. So now you've excluded any app targeting instead of doing all these manually like I did here. So now you won't show up for specific websites. Like you could edit your list if there's a certain website you don't want to show up for, let's put sports as a search result here. You could choose certain sites you don't want to show up for, or you could manually type in the URL. I don't know how to, cheat code, short code it for any certain types of sites, but I know you can do certain content suitability where you can exclude certain sensitive topics, sensitive interest-based sites, park domains, live stream video, games, certain news theme content sites. You got your exclusion list, excluded placements, but check out exclusion list and content suitability. My name's Mac. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell for post notifications. If you need help with marketing, advertising, SEO, just leave a comment below. Happy to schedule a call with anybody who needs help. And I've been doing this for 10 years and we help a lot of small businesses. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.